Hello everybody, just a quick message now that we're entering this busy, crazy times of Christmas, end of year, lots of family time, but also lots of alone time for a lot of people. And this is just a message of finding the quietness, finding the silence. Perhaps if you're like me, the thing I crave most at this stage is silence, and I'm very aware that many people are lonely. Many people only have the silence at this stage. But in the busy world and in the frenetic shops where everything can seem very overwhelming, more important than anything for me is to ground at this stage. We can go into the heart, we can go into the solar plexus, we can go into all the fancy stuff. But at this stage, sometimes it is just to ground, to just when you walk and deliberately. Last night I was also in a situation where it was a bit loud for me, and all I focused on was my footfall, my footsteps on the earth. And literally with every step, so that it actually becomes part of you, so that it really supports you. We know about grounding, we know about earthing, we know about all of these things, but I want to reiterate it and absolutely remind you of the power of that in these times. Also, when you're alone, you always have the earth, you always have the grounding, you always have that solidity under your feet. I want you to connect with it afresh, just consciously and mindfully as you're doing everything. Just connect that. And if you're having wonderful time and it's time for fun and joyous occasion, still do that. Because that will anchor these good times into your body. That will support you. So just a very, very solid basic reminder. It helped me a lot to refocus my attention on my footfall, on the way I put my foot down and I sit on the earth. Just a conscious reminder. I love you all. I'll see you in the new year, and have a very, very beautiful time. Thanks so much for listening. All my love to you. Bye for now.